1. Wake up 30 minutes earlier than usual. Not 5 a.m., just 30 minutes earlier. You'll be shocked how much more control you gain over your day and your mind. 2. Read 10 pages a day. Books are time machines. Every page you read, you're downloading someone else's lifetime of wisdom in minutes. 3. Use the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This habit destroyed my procrastination permanently. 4. Plan your day the night before. When your brain knows what's next, you waste less time wondering and more time executing. 5. Say no more often. Protect your time and energy. Saying no is a skill that creates boundaries and lets you focus on what truly matters. 6. Track your expenses. Once you track your money, you'll start respecting it. Respect money and it'll start respecting you back. 7. Cut one digital distraction each week. Social media, endless notifications. Pick one distraction and block it for an hour. Your productivity will skyrocket. 8. Smile even when you don't feel like it. This tiny muscle movement sends your brain a powerful message. I'm in control and eventually you are. 9. Use timers when working. 25 minutes focus, 5-minute break. Repeat. It's called the Pomodoro Technique and it made me unstoppable. 10. Write one sentence of gratitude every day. Gratitude isn't cheesy. It's brain training. It forces you to notice what's right, not just what's missing. 11. Compliment one person a day. Make someone smile. The energy will reflect right back to you, doubled. 12. Avoid screens 30 minutes before sleep. This habit fixed my sleep more than any pill, app, or tip. Try it for 3 nights. You'll feel reborn. 13. Stretch for 2 minutes every hour. Your body isn't designed to sit all day. This keeps your energy high and mind alert. 14. Drink water as soon as you wake up. Your body is dehydrated after sleep. Hydrating first thing fires up your metabolism, wakes your brain, and reduces fatigue. 15. Declutter one thing daily. A messy space equals a messy mind. Clearing physical clutter improves focus and reduces anxiety. 16. Stand up for 10 minutes every hour. Sitting for long hours drains your energy and focus. Standing boosts circulation and helps keep your mind sharp. 17th. Meditate for 5 minutes. Meditation sharpens your focus, lowers stress, and increases emotional resilience. 18. Reflect on one win before sleep. Celebrate even the smallest victories. This rewires your brain for success and reduces stress. 19. Write down your biggest goal daily. Repeat it until your brain believes it's already done. Because if you can see it, you'll chase it. 20. Limit sugar intake. Sugar spikes energy but crashes it quickly. Cutting back stabilizes your mood and mental sharpness. 21st. Step outside for 10 minutes a day. Nature is free therapy. Fresh air heals more than scrolling ever will. 22. Make your bed. Sounds basic, but it's the first win of the day. Start with order and more will follow. 23. Unfollow one negative influence a week. Social media feeds and people who drain your energy, cut them out. Your mental health depends on it. 24. Positive affirmations in the mirror. Feel dumb doing it? Do it anyway. Speak to yourself like someone you love. 25. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Don't aim to be flawless. Aim to be 1% better than yesterday. 26th. Limit news intake. News is often negative and stressful. Limit your exposure to protect your mental energy. 27. Eat one more vegetable daily. Don't overthink it. Health isn't found in extremes. It's in the small upgrades. 28. Learn one new word a day. It's not about vocabulary. It's about sharpening your thinking. 29. Take 5 deep breaths when overwhelmed. It's the reset button hiding inside your lungs. Use it. 30. Set 3 micro goals every morning. Small, clear wins. That's how you stay consistent even on your worst days. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments what topic you want next, and don't forget to share this video with someone who might need it. Keep striving.